Hello guys, today I'm going to show you very basic step-by-step configuration of DNS on Windows Server 2012. First we need to add the role and feature of DNS. If you haven't added this already, click on dashboard, add roles and features, next, server roles, select DNS here, and also skip just next, and then install. After this, click on Tools. Now select DNS. As you can see, we have forward lookup zones and reverse lookup zones. Forward are the ones that are changing from some name, domain name like facebook.com, google.com to IP addresses, and reverse are just reverse, so from IP addresses to the names. So let's click on this with a right click, select new zone, next, primary zone, next, to all DNS servers running on domain control, the first one, next, zone name, we can just select something like meow.com, next. We can select the second option because we are doing this locally, so it doesn't really matter. Click next and finish. Now if we select this, we can create a reverse lookup zone. So next, primary, forest, IPv4, next, network ID 192.168.0.0. Now we can click next, both, next, and finish. Now as you can see, we have this, these two. Now we can select meow, let's say, right click, and we can create a host or an alias. Let's first create a host, then I will show you how to create an alias. So meow, new host, let's use meow, and IP address, let's say 192.168.0 like 110. Add host. The host recorded meow.com was successfully created, done. And as you can see, we have it right here. If you wanna create the alias, let's delete this one because they can have the same name. New alias. Meow. Okay, as you can see, we have meow.com here. We can also create an alias in this option. So meow, it's meow.com, and as you can see, we have an alias here. That's all. This is a very basic configuration, maybe even like not configuration, but like setup of DNS on Windows Server 2012. So that's all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe. If you have any more further questions, please leave them in the comments.